As you know that today 11th International Day of Yoga is being celebrated not only in India but in many countries around the world. As you heard, the Honorable 11th International Day of Yoga is being celebrated not only in different places in India but also around the world in many countries. Over the last 11 years, yoga has been very much popularized and it has become a household name. And you heard the Honorable Prime Minister saying about the benefits that yoga brings to every individual and every family. And this year the theme is One Earth, One Health, which implies that we have to work on our own body, mind and soul, and we have to see that we are a part of an entire community called this earth, in which we have an important role to play, and we can contribute to the peace and well-being of not only our own selves but of our people around us also.
Do you think that the environment?
Yoga is something which has to do with health, it has to do with mental balance, it has to do with happiness. So I am confident that everybody, everywhere in the world wants these things. He wants to be healthy, he wants to be without any mental stress, and he wants to live a balanced life.
As we have
That
seen
is
the
the
great
message.
initiative from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is there sort of more initiatives to be taken, especially in Jammu Kashmir, UT for yoga?
Yoga is being popularized, as the Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Minister for Ayush also mentioned, that a lot of steps are being taken to promote yoga and under the National Ayush Mission, and now these health and wellness centers have been set up. There are more than 3,000 of them in Jammu and Kashmir also. And now yoga instructors are being appointed in these health and wellness centers, so that the outreach of yoga to the people, to the community at large, it becomes wider and wider.
Thank you very much, sir.